Hey guys, let's check out this wireless neckband microphone kit that I received for reviewing purposes. I'm gonna open it up and let's see what comes inside. Okay, we get the instruction manuals with all the important information, how to use it, and the description of each of the buttons, which I think that is really nice. Okay, we get the audio mixer right here. This audio mixer will be automatically connected upon the neckband microphone, and you can adjust different settings, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, this is the receiver. You can connect it upon your device, albeit with a lightning port or a USB Type-C, and you can still be able to charge your device with this USB Type-C port, which I think that it's great. Okay, we get a USB A to Type-C charging cable for the main unit, and well, the proper main unit right. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, as you can see, it's quite nice. It goes like this, and you place the earbuds, and that way you can be able to listen to yourself while you are recording and check out all the different adjustments that you can make, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, and well, let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna connect this receiver upon my cell phone to check how it listens. Okay, first I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, now it's on. I can listen to myself when I talk through the microphone, and that's a nice function that I think it's really nice. As I've said, we can adjust with different configurations with this remote, but let me place the receiver. Okay, with this remote we can turn up the microphone, turn it down, all the different configurations. We can mute myself. We can unmute. As I've said, we can even change the voice so it's like a deeper male voice, a female, a kid.
I want to test it out. It seems funny.
And the male, it's obviously deeper, which I think that it's nice. With these buttons, we can adjust the...
Okay, I reset it, and with this button we can adjust the in-ear monitor or the volume that we are gonna listen to myself when we are talking, which I think that it's really nice. We can also adjust the reverb effects. Okay, it has 5 different reverb levels, and once that you change between them, you can actually be listening which level you're on, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, and you even have 12 different warm-up sound effects, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, as you can see, and I think that it's really nice because you can still being able to use it like a regular pair of earbuds, listening to music and everything like that, which I think that it's great. And overall, I think that it's a really complete set. It's actually really nice that you can actually be listening to music while you have them and use them like regular earbuds, and that you get all the different customizations upon your voice with the audio mixer control, which I think that it's great. Overall, I think that it's a really nice set, and I will really recommend it. See you guys!